Alright guys, so you wanted a walkthrough. Even though the logo is upside down here, you know where I'm at. I'm at SkyKing Fireworks. And we're gonna do a little store tour for you. Over here we got some assortments, a family pack assortment. The price on this is $47.99. I'm not sure what's on the inside. I know there's like some fountains in here, probably not like, aerials and stuff like that that goes up in the air. I think this is mostly like a fountain pack, and that will be nice, for the kids and so on for the 4th of July. Over here we got some novelty items, some spinners, some bigger family pack here. This one is for $89.99. This as well mostly have fountains on the inside. Over this side we got some mushroom, it's a shroom fountain. As you can see there, the price on this is $49.99. We also got the Mucho Grande fountain as well. $29.99 for this one here. Down below we got some more fountains. I'm gonna just go by the fountain section here, show you what they got. And if you don't know, they gotta buy one, get one, 99 cents. This is the King's Fountain Assortment Pack for $22.99, and you get 6 fountains in this pack here. So if you're into fountains, you can probably pick up one of this pack, and they got like a bunch load here. Snappers down below, $49.99 for a case. Let's go around. We got some more fountains here as well. Party starter. Down this aisle, let's see what they got. More fountains. All-Star, Fish in a Barrel, Neon Dreams, Spark in the Dark. This looks cool. So this has a spinner on this fountain here, as you can see. This one is called, what is this one called? It's called Whirly Wonka. Some from the Willy Wonka type of theme, I guess. Looking good. We have Anime Zing right there. Eye popping. We all know these shaped fountains always have some big pops to it. Down here, look at this one called Ghosted. This one is Blazing Neon, world's strongest fountain. I wonder how strong this fountain is. Doesn't feel very heavy, but then again, you can't tell until you light it off. We have some firecrackers here, a 500 roll for $10.99, and we have the SkyKing 4000 roll for $78.99. It's a huge one. This is a triangular shape looking fountain called Bermuda Triangle. And these look like some jumping jacks that will jump out when you light them off as well. Let's go down the line here. We got Big Poppin'. I'm pretty sure this fountain has some big crackles to it. Next up is the 44 mag. Down the line we have some jumbo whistling rockets and a Moon Traveler, and some more rockets here as well. And down below they got, let's see what this is, 8000 roll firecracker. On this side here, what's this? Oh, it's a Thunderbomb cracker. I'm assuming these are firecrackers as well. So all this aisle here will be firecrackers. I don't really need to do the firecrackers. You already know what those do. These are some huge one, M5000, $13.99 for 6 pieces. Let's go around the line here to some cakes. Oh, and some rockets as well. So this is the aerial adventure rocket. 21 rockets for $99.99. Sky's the limit rocket, $59.99, and you get 10 rockets for this one. And if you need to light your rockets off, we have some tubes here that you can use to stabilize your rocket, and they're $5.99 each. Down here we got some more rockets here. This is $32.99, 2 each. Okay. Oh, Mach 2. Why did I think that is 2 each? But Mach 2. Here we got some neon rockets, and this is 15 pieces for $39.99. And as you know, it's a buy one, you get one for 99 cents. Over here we got some cakes. This is a nice cake here, a 500-gram cake, sucker punch. Freedom Keeper, and these are the 500-gram cakes. Diabolic, 27 shot. This is a huge cake, and it's also angled as well. 50 Shades of Boom, 33 shots. Divinity 40 shot cake, $119.99. No, I'm just, walking around doing a video. I already did my shopping, but I didn't get to do my walkthrough video, so I'm just doing a walkthrough video just to plug SkyKing Fireworks on my YouTube channel. Is Chris here today?
Chris, yeah, he in the back.
Okay, yeah, I shop with Chris a lot. All right, so we got pyrography.
Oh, excuse me, sorry.
That's all right, that's all right. And over here we got some 200-gram cakes. $39.99 for this one. Joker 12 shot, $34.99. Slobber Knocker, $34.99. I shot this one off before last year for 4th of July. This is a good little 200-gram cake as well. Down below we got some more as well. Garden in Spring. If you're a pyro and you don't know this cake, or this firework, I should say, it's like, shoots up in the ear a little, and then you have like a, a nice break at the end. It's for $9.99. Color Collision. I remember shooting this one off last year as well. The 500-gram Color Collision. The video's on my channel as well. 17 shots. And everything is buy one, get one 99-cent off on the cake as well. And over this side we got some shells. We got single break, double breaks, and triple break shells. 5-inch Freedom shells, 6 to a pack, going for $99, I think, or $94. And down here we have like some 24 pack We got the dirty bombs, canister shells. And if you want to pause to see the performance, these are the performance. And over here we got some Noabs. Up top we got some zipper cakes. Down bottom we have some zipper cakes as well. And over here we got their 6-inch king size shells and their Savage shells as well, which is also 6 inches. Over here we got the Neon Serpent 5-inch 24 tool pack. Let's check out, oh look at this mega big drop the mic 474 shots finale cake. This is huge. We got some more zipper cakes over here, and over here we got some single shots. Number 500, 2.5 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches down below. We got some Saturn missile battery here. I'm good, thanks. Over here we got some more 500 gram cakes. Fun Night, looking like the Fortnite logo. Power Surge, this is a good cake as well. I remember shooting this one off. And we got a nice angled cake here, 63 shot, called American Badass. Blaze 25 shot, Home Wrecker 20 shot. This is a 9 shot called Dark Side. And up top we got some more zipper cakes, more 500 gram cakes as well. So they're fully stocked for this year. Oh, this one, 2-minute warning. This cake is said to last 2 minutes. It's 63 shots. It's also angled and a loud volume. Let's go around this side where they have some novelties. We got a little truck here, little penguin, ladybug. Here it is, ladybugs, and a turtle. We got some spinners here as well, magic wheel. We got a bike. It's the first time I'm seeing a bike in a firework. Oops. It's the first time I'm seeing a bike in the form of a firework. I normally know they normally have like boats and so on. Here's some spinners. We got some parachute there as well. Over here we got their Roman candles. Some rockets here. $196 shot for the Neon Cyber candle. I did have this one as well, the Neon Tracer. This is a good candle as well to buy. And over here we got some big assortments going on. We got some smoke bombs here as well. We got a big assortment here again. A big fountain assortment, it seems like. Alright, if you want tubes as well, they got tubes here, mortar X and so on. So they got everything stocked up for you for your 4th of July. So Come to SkyKing Fireworks, shop here, and you get everything that you need. Alright guys, I'm out for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a good day.